Hello friends, welcome to Digiliterate YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about a tool called SendPulse. Now SendPulse allows you to do a lot of things like you can send email campaigns, create chatbots, automation and much more. But this video will be focused on how you can create a course, online course using SendPulse. Now with SendPulse, you can monetize your knowledge by creating course that also accept payments from the participants of your course. Not only that, if you are a teacher and looking for creating a course that involves well-structured lessons, homework assignments, tests, and also you can issue certificates for passing tests to your students, then SendPulse is for you. This video is going to be no nonsense, to the point, and easy to understand. Let's go to the laptop screen and see how we can do that. The first step is to click the link in the description. It involves a $10 discount coupon. So once you are here, this is how it looks like. You need to click on activate coupon and create your account. So once the account is created, this is how the dashboard will look like. Now you will see different type of features provided by SendPulse, but our main concern is this tab EDU. This is where we'll be working most of the time, creating courses, right? Each feature has its own elements on the left hand side and has their own pricing plan. But for our own EDU course creator, these are the elements we'll be working upon, right? So let me quickly show you account setting, which you can access by clicking on this logo and account setting. This is nothing but you manage all your profile information, company information, how pricing plans, how you can connect your PayPal and other accounts to accept payment from your students, API and other information you can manage from here, right? Now let me quickly go to the pricing plan and show you what the pricing plan looks like of SendPulse Course Creator. So they have two pricing plans. One is free plan where you get limited features, like you can only teach up to 200 students, you can only create one course, you get limited storage space. Again, in the paid plan, you get more storage space, you can teach more students and you get more features, right? But you can get started with your course with the free plan, and this is what we are going to see in this course. Give you a quickly overview of the dashboard of the EDU. So this is how the dashboard looks like. On this dashboard, you will see more information. Once you create your account, once you create your course, student participate, more data is available. So you will see more data being updated on this page. So important data is going to be presented on here, like how many students are active on your course, how many students are participating in a free course, how many students are participating on the new course, your payment information, how many students are participating in the course, which type of courses you have created. All this information you can see on this dashboard, right? Now to get started, you need to click on the create course. Now along the way, I'll be explaining all the features that you can see on the left hand side. So to get started, just click on create course. Once you click on this is how you will look like. Here you have three options. So new course, basically you create your course from scratch. New LMS course, basically you can create documentation for your employees, or you can train your employees. But our focus is new course. And now in the future, there will be also templates available that you can use to create course. But our focus is new course. So let's click on it. From here, you need to give title to your course. So what your course is all about. So suppose my course is all about digital marketing course for beginners. So this is my name. You can give your name to your course. Now from here, you need to enter the URL of your course. So what will be the landing page of your course will look like. So since it's a marketing course, I will give you like marketing 101. So this is just the first name of the whole URL will look like. So I can use the following second subdomain. So SendPulse.academy or SendPulse.online. So this is what the main URL will look like, marketing101.sendpulse.academy. Now you can also connect your own domain if you do not want to use this. But for free plan, you need to use their subdomains, right? But if you connect your domain, this is how it looks like. Suppose, let me just reload. Suppose Digiliterate is my website, right? So I want to create a marketing course. So if you connect your domain, you can do this, like marketing101.digiliterate.com. So if you connect your own domain, this is available for paid plan. So this is how personalized URL you can create for yourself. But right now we can use this SendPulse.academy or SendPulse Online as a free plan. So once you are ready, just click on next. Now from here, you can use an existing landing page of your course now, or you can create an empty site from scratch. So let me show you how it looks like. Suppose I choose this email marketing. So this landing page I will already get created for me. All I have to do is make some changes to the text that I want, customize the button as per my requirement. So yeah, this is what you can do, right? You can use this directly, or you can create from scratch. So I'll show you how to create from scratch. So let me click on new site. So sometimes, sometimes the name that you are trying for is already taken, right? So it will show like domain name invalid. So you can just modify and change this name. Since it is a free plan, right? So this domain may be taken already, right? So marketing, SEO, marketing. We type in SEO 101. So just click on next, click on new site. And yeah, so you can see our course has been created, and this is how the dashboard looks like. Now let us try to understand what this dashboard is all about. Since we have created the course, now the next step is adding the lessons. To do that, click on this. Now from here, you need to give a name to your lesson. So I have created some dummy lesson name on ChatGPT. Let me use that. I'll just type in this lesson name, the content. Let me type in the content. You just have to use some of the elements that are provided to customize your lesson. So you can add media files like images, carousel images like sliding images, YouTube videos. You can add audio files, downloadable PDF files. You can customize the structure of the text using the spacer and divider. You can add homework assignments. So all those things you can do for creating your course. So let me show some of that. Like if you want to add media files, just have to click on this media file, and from here you just have to choose what you want to add, image, carousel, video. So you can do that from here. Let me show you one sample. As you can see, I have added the image file now. So yeah, this is how you create the text, right? So one important thing is homework assignment. So you can add homework assignments. So what are those? Basically, if you want to test the knowledge of your student after they complete the lesson, you want to ask some information, relevant information about these, what they learned in this lesson. You can ask them some question over here. So all you have to do is type in the question over here, like what is SEO. I'm just going to type it for a sample purpose, and then they will get a field. While completing the course or lesson, they will get this field where they can type in the answer to the question asked by you. So now this is not a test. By the way, tests are different. This is homework assignment. So you can choose let me show you. You can choose if you want to automatically accept their answers right away, you can do that. But if you want to accept their answers, you want to verify their answers, reject or accept them, then you can just choose the time. After which, give some time after which that will get automatically accepted, right? So yeah, so you can add new lesson from here. You can provide access, close or open. So if you do not want them to see the lesson just right now, you can just click the close and create the lesson and activate it later. But I will just click on open. Again, you can just create the lesson. You can also add sections, by the way. Let me show you. Sections basically this is the first section. So I just want, I suppose in this course is divided into two parts. So part one, this is one section under which there are 3 lessons, and you want to add new section, second section, which is part 2, and under which under this it will be like having new lessons, right? So you can just do that. And one more thing you can do is add tests. Now tests are basically you can ask some questions, and they will be answering it. So just type in the question. And then you can type in the answers over here. You can also add new answers. You can also choose if the question has multiple answers. They can do that. On the right hand side, you can see that there is a test setting. Basically, you have to navigate some test settings. Like if you want to activate the test, you can click on activate. You need to give score for each each question that is answered, how much mark you want to allot, right? You can do that, and you can also choose the passing score, right? Suppose they need to score at least 80 marks out of 100, so you can choose, right, how much marks they should be having. So how many attempts they get to pass the test, right? Then you can choose, and yeah, that's about it. So we have seen almost everything about how to create. Just click on save and exit. So as you can see that we have created the lessons. We have 2 sections. So here, now let me quickly show you a few of those things that are important for you to know. So in the student section, you will see how many students have participated. You can also invite the students from here. From here, we will see what the answers are given by the students. We have created the homework page, right? We have saw it previously. In the reviews, we will see that what reviews the students have given to our course, right? Basically the feedback. One more thing is like you can go to the settings sections, and here you can customize few things. Like you can set a thumbnail of your course, right? So like YouTube thumbnail videos have thumbnail, just like that your course will have thumbnail, right? You can select that from here. You can choose the course flow, right? Basically, you can make give access to all lessons at once, or you can give access to new lessons only when the previous lesson is completed by your student, right? Also, what is the course completion criteria? Should the student complete all lessons, or the student should pass the test? Then only he will, then only the course completion will be marked. So that all you need to select. You can also assign certificates to your student. You can create new certificates from here. I will show you shortly how to do that. So yeah, you can choose your course category and can navigate all these settings. Like if you want to recommend other course to your student, or if you want numbers or without numbers the lessons to be, right? All you can do is save. Click on save. You can go to the assess and pricing section, and you can choose like if you want the course to start at a specific date and end at a specific date, or it should be an open-ended course. You can set some time limit for your course. You can also make the course paid, but it's a paid plan. You only in the paid plan you can make your course paid, right? So yeah, that was the setting I wanted to know. From here, you can start the course. Then only the course will start. So yeah, that was all about it. On my left hand side, maybe I would like to show some features again. We can also, in the assignment answers, again, as I already covered this, that you will get all the answers given by your student, your homework assigned to them. Students also have an option to ask question while completing the course. If they ask it question, you will see their questions over here. You can see the statistics about your course, important statistic about your course, like how many students are participating, what is their engagement rate, what questions are they are asked, and how many of the students passed this test, how many of them failed the test. All the statistics related to your test and lessons, you can see in the statistic parts. In the payment section, again, how many students paid for your course, what type of payment you have received, all those things you can see. There is also an option of push notification. Basically, by the way, they also have an mobile application for iOS and Android. So basically, students can participate from their mobile app. you can send them push notification on their mobile. Like if you want to provide some discount course, if you want to recommend some new course, or if you want to give some new message to their mobile app, or then you can send push notifications to them, right? You can also offer promo codes. Now we previously covered certificates, right? So what are these certificates? Let me show you. You can assign certificate after course completion. So if a student completes a course, you can create a course. So you can see I created this marketing course. Let me quickly delete it and create a new course for you to show. The new course will be built in the builder section. You can choose the background of the course. You can give custom a title to the course, right? Marketing certificate. You can give name. You can give all this customization can be done. More customization options are available in the paid plan, but a basic certificate can be provided in the free plan, right? Yeah, so that how you assign certificates. In the file manager, basically you can manage your assets, basically all the important data you require to create lessons, and you are using that repeatedly. You get 1 GB of storage space over here. So we have pricing plan we have already discussed, right? So now we have created the course content in the form of lessons, tests, homework assignments. Now where this course or content will get published, it will get published on some URL, right? Where the student will visit that landing page, sign up for your course, and assess this content, right? So how to do that? So for doing that, you need to go to this web URL that we created in the beginning. You remember? But when you click over here, you will see that there is nothing over here because we choose to not select any pre-made template. We are creating something from scratch, right? So to create that, we need to click on here and click on edit website. So once you click on edit website, so this is how the interface will look like. And now this is where you will be building your landing page from scratch. Now I'm not going to make an aesthetically pleasing or very good looking landing page. I'm just going to explain shortly how it's look and how to navigate, right? So here you have to start adding blocks, right? Just like a web page is there, like a web page has header, main content, and in the footer there is a navigation things. So all you have to do is click on add block, and you have to start adding blocks. Like we have header, first screen, that is basically main screen of the web page, landing page, about us section. You can add product and service, basically about more information about your course. You can add timeline, advantages, pricing, frequently asked question. You can add form. You can also add the footer. But main thing you need to add in the landing page, no matter which landing page you create, is this login edu, because without that, the course content that created will not be accessible, right? So all these fancy things are there that you need to do to make your landing page look good, but to make the course accessible, this widget is necessary. So let me just randomly add some header over here. So just let me add some random headers. You can edit all these things over here. You can edit the button, etc. Just add new block, type in, let me add this one. Well, see, just let me quickly add it. Let me add the pricing section. But there has to be some place where the people will sign up for your course or sign in for your course, right? So for that, you just have to add this widget. Go to that widget and click on this login edu. Now you need to select which course access the students should get, right? So we have created this digital marketing for beginners. You just have to select this one. And from here, you need to select what the appearance of the widget will look like. So you can see this is the widget. So students can come over here and sign up or sign in for your course. The appearance could be like this. Directly the form will appear, or it could be directly, there will be some button. So let's keep it as buttons for now. And yeah, there are many customization options, by the way. You're free to do that, right? So I'm just going to add it quickly, right? So we have added this. So yeah, so once you create your landing page, you just have to click on save and exit, right? By the way, you can also add multiple pages to this course. So this is the first page. You can add new pages as well. So to add new page to the existing landing page, all you have to do is click over here and add new page. Now we need to click on save and go. So it will land you to a new page where again you need to add new blocks and customize it according to you. So yeah, that's how you do it. Let me show you quickly. So as you can see that this new page is edited. So yeah, you can customize it as per your requirement and publish it from here, or you can go back, save and exit and then publish it. So I'll just keep one page for now. I'll not keep it many pages. And just going to save and exit. By the way, when you save and exit, you will land on this other tab called website. So here you will be you will have all your pages of your course created, right? Let me go back and give you an overview of it. So in the edu section, you will see that this is your course that is not published yet, and in this will be in the website sections, by the way. Okay, so now our course is not live yet. As you can see, we still have this error. So we can publish it from here, or you can just go back to the edu section, and from here also I can publish my course, right? Let me just go to this course section, and from here I can just start the course, as well as I can just click on here and publish the course. Without publishing the course, it will not go live, right? You have to start the course from here, and from here you need to click on publish. So let me click on publish. So as you can see, there is a green dot. That means our course is now published. So let me just reload this web URL, and you can see our course is now live. So this is just the landing page of the course, by the way. So the student will go where to sign up for the course. So this will be all about marketing information about the course, including pricing, etc. You remember we added the widget about the EDU course. So this is where the student will either sign in if they have already an account or on the course. They can sign up. So if they sign up, they have to provide the information like full name, email and password. So let me just show you how it works. Let me just randomly type in my email ID. Let me type in my password and click on sign up. So they will send you a confirmation email. Let me just go to my email and confirm. As you can see that I got a email about the course. I just have to confirm my email address. And yeah, that's it. I have an access to the course now. All I have to do is click on sign in. And there you go. So we have the access to the course now as a student. From here, I am acting as a student now. So this is how the interface of student look like. If you want to change this theme of this user interface, you can do that by going to the course section in the student account settings. Let me quickly show you how to access that. So to access that, you just need to go to the course section and you need to click on student account setting. Here basically you will be able to change the theme of this dashboard, font size, etc. Not much you can do. You can also, the students can take the course on the mobile app, as I already told you. So now they have to they can ask questions to you. They can complete their certification from here. So just they will open the course and take it, right? So yeah, that's about it. So let me go back to the main dashboard again. So as you can see that one student, as we have already signed up, right? So one student has signed up, as I already told you in the beginning, right? So more data comes in, this dashboard will have more data. So more information it will have, right? So that's how you create the course. And I think I have covered all the information that you needed to get started, create your course and sell it, right? So thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. If you have any doubt, comment down below and personally solve you. If you need hand holding for creating course, again, you can reach out to me. I will personally help you out. Use the link in the description for $10 discount code. Bye.